Did you know the ancient Greeks believed sneezing was a sign from the gods? To them, a sneeze wasn't just a random bodily reflex, it was a divine message. In fact, during important events or decisions, a sneeze could be seen as an omen of approval or warning. For example, in Homer's Odyssey, when Penelope sneezes while discussing a prophecy, it's taken as a confirmation of its truth. People often pause to interpret the meaning of a sneeze. Was it a blessing from Zeus or a warning to rethink their plans? So the next time you sneeze and someone says, "Bless you," remember, it's a tradition rooted in ancient Greek beliefs about messages from the heavens.